Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. You made me reach my first milestone on YouTube. You made me reach my first 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. My name is Saad Salisu. I'm a student of Aeronautical and Astronautical Engineering at Nanchang Hong Kong University, Jiangxi, China. So now you know me, let's begin. I have been studying in China now for more than 2 years, and I have been receiving a lot of queries from my followers and my friends on how to navigate themselves through to get a scholarship or where to start from, and also how to achieve your dreams of studying in a foreign country. So I'll be posting a lot of scholarship and showing you way through step by step on how to start your application process. So guys, stick with me, and also don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video, and also share it to your friends guys. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you. See you in the next video.